This week, our course focuses on the problem of balancing our transportation systems. What we mean by balance is that most places put too much reliance on automobiles and trucks, but not enough on transit, walking, and cycling. We also put too much emphasis on a higher type of technology than we really need to do the job at hand. There's an important conversation to be had about local trips and about regional trips. For example, at the regional level, high-speed rail in Europe and in Asia has been proven to reduce reliance on short-range airline trips, the very trips that congest airports. We could take the money, which will be needed to expand airports, and use it to build high-speed rail, and we could come out ahead. At a more local level, it would also bring big dividends in managing suburban growth, to build relatively inexpensive bus rapid transit, where rail transit is not economic.
Now, nobody will be saying this week that people should give up their cars. The car is definitely here to stay, and Jonathan is going to tell you these statistics. And improving auto technology means less pollution on the roads. If this means electric cars, and the electricity comes from renewable sources such as solar, this also probably means less pollution overall and could really slow down global warming and climate change. Driverless cars also will bring big changes, but that may mean more traffic congestion, not less. It really depends if cars are driving around all day serving many different users. It also depends if cars become more of a shared resource than they currently are, which is, of course, we all know, a personal resource and to some extent a luxury status symbol. But we will still need to try to cut the ever-growing number of trips and the length of trips in our lives by bringing things closer together so we can depend less on cars and more on walking and cycling to make cities and suburbs more livable and even to foster better health. So this week is about shifting how we move around. And you can go to Chapter 3 of our book to augment what we'll be covering over the next several segments. You can also learn a lot about the topics of this week by looking closely and critically at your own community. So get out there as you hear what we have to say and see what's going on in your city. See what's relevant and what resonates at your home base.